Welcome, students, in the online tutorial classes. Myself, Mr. Manoj Kumar, Faculty of Education, Jamshedpur Cooperative College. In today's lecture, I will undertake paper 9, unit 5, elementary statistics. Within that, we discuss normal probability curve. It is a symmetrical curve. It is a symmetrical curve. That means यह एक सममिति वक्र है with a hump at with a hump in the middle and which gradually declines on both sides. That is the tail. The both side, that is the tail uh, that ends at infinity towards baseline. यह एक ऐसा सममिति वक्र है जो ऊंचा रहता है, बीच में कर्व जो होता है बेल शेप होता है कर्व। जो घंटी, जो मंदिरों में जो घंटी प्रयोग किया जाता है, उस घंटी में जो बीच वाला भाग है थोड़ा ऊंचा रहता है, तो उस ऊंचे वाला को हम कहते हैं। और बोथ साइड जो है वो नीचे की ओर आता है, अनंत की ओर मिलता नहीं है। जो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है उस पर मिलता नहीं है, बेस लाइन से मिलता नहीं है। और इसी को हम लोग नॉर्मल प्रोबेबिलिटी कर्व कहते हैं। दैट इज़ द नॉर्मल प्रोबेबिलिटी कर्व इज अ सिमेट्रिकल कर्व विथ अ हम्प in the middle and which gradually decline on both sides, that is the tail. Both side, that is the tail, ends at infinity towards baseline. It follows the assumption that if population of some of the variable is normally distributed, अगर कोई भी पॉपुलेशन अगर वो नॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है एंड इफ वन सेलेक्ट्स रैंडम सैम्पल्स, और इफ वन सेलेक्ट्स रैंडम सैम्पल्स फ्रॉम it, then the distribution of the set of samples or total samples is also normally distributed. अगर हम किसी पॉपुलेशन के एक वेरिएबल को हम लेते हैं, उसका नॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अगर है, तो जो अगर हम रैंडम सैम्पल्स को चूज़ करते हैं, तो जो सेट ऑफ सैम्पल्स होगा, जो न्यादर्स होगा, उस सेट जो समूह जो होगा, उस समूह भी जो है नॉर्मली जो होगा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होगा, यानी सामान्य वितरण को अनुसरण करेगा। सो normal probability, the main point you must remember that it is a curve, a symmetrical curve, and the nature of the curve is bell shaped. Its limit from minus infinity to infinity, and this is a very important point you must remember. It is called de Moivre curve, and this is also known as Gaussian curve in the name of the famous astronomer Gauss, for the first time who apply in the astronomy. This curve depicts that the most of the scores have tendency to lie in the center, and the all other scores get scattered around it. That is, all other scores are either on the higher side or on lower side. That means most of the data that is lying at the center, and that has been parted in both sides. 50% of the data on the right side and 50 other percentage on the left side. So how many scores or how many data are lower, how many data or scores are higher, and how many are close to mean. हाउ मेनी क्लोज टू मीन, दैट मीन्स मध्य के बीच में, बीच वाले कर्व का जो बीचों बीच भाग होता है उसमें कितने हैं, उसके आसपास कितने हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ द स्कोर्स आर और डाटा आर क्लोज टू मीन डिटरमाइंस द शेप ऑफ द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. तो ये बताता है, डाटा के आधार पे हम ये पता कर पाए हैं कि किसी भी वितरण का जो आकृति होगा, उस आकृति का जो स्वरूप होगा वो क्या होगा, वो नॉर्मल होगा या नॉर्मल होगा, सिमेट्रिकल होगा, एसिमेट्रिकल होगा. और सिमेट्रिकल होगा सिर्फ वही देख करके हम समझ जाएंगे सिमेट्रिकल है, दैट मीन इट फॉलोज द नॉर्मल प्रोबेबिलिटी कर्व. और अगर मान लीजिए स्क्यूड है या राइट साइड ज़्यादा उसका टेल भाग गया है या लेफ्ट साइड हो गया है, तो स्क्यूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को फॉलो करता है. अगर नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है तो डेफिनेटली वो नॉर्मल प्रोबेबिलिटी कर्व को फॉलो करेगा. और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. हम जब एनालिसिस करते हैं, इट हैज़ अ वेरी इमेंस यूजफुलनेस, यूटिलिटी इन डिटरमाइनिंग द various number of cases by using normal probability, normal table. Now we discussed the characteristics of a normal probability curve. As I have already mentioned in the definition that it is asymmetrical. The first one is what? The symmetrical one. It is symmetrical in nature, and that is with 50% of the score lie either on the both side of the curve. And the second one is it is a bell-shaped curve. The third one is the curve is asymptotic at the mean, that asymptotic to the horizontal line. Asymptotic means what? If we draw the curve, that means what is the horizontal line, what is the vertical line, that is laying on the curve is laying. So it is, the curve is asymptotic towards to the baseline, that is the horizontal axis or vertical axis, depend upon the curve, and it extends from minus infinity to infinity. It is a unimodal curve, that is it only have one mode value. There are so many distributions which has multiple models, bimodal, trimodal, but in the symmetrical or in the symmetrical case of the curve, that is followed under the normal probability curve, it is a unimodal, not the bimodal or trimodal. If the nature of the curve is something different, then there are so many modes, बहुलक अलग अलग हो जाएंगे. लेकिन जब नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अगर होंगे तो आपका जो बहुलक होगा वो एक ही होगा. द अनदर इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज ऑल मीन, मीडियन एंड मोड ऑल कोइंसाइड्स एट द सेम पॉइंट. माध्य, माध्यिका, बहुलक, ये सभी के तीनों जो होंगे वे एक ही जगह पर होंगे, एक ही होंगे, कोइंसाइड एट द सेम पॉइंट. In normal probability curve, all lie at the middle, that is mean equals to median, that is equal to mode. The total area covered in the normal probability curve, that is mu plus 3 sigma. Mu is what? Mean, and sigma is the standard deviation. So the area between plus minus sigma, okay, plus minus, if sigma is 1, then the area, the percentage area, that is 68.26%, and the area between plus minus 2, if sigma is 1, then 2 sigma, so it is 95.44%, and if sigma equal to 1, then plus minus 3 sigma equals to plus minus 3, and that equals to 99.44%. 74%. So this is what the area of the normal probability curve. The the curve has zero skewness. The skewness of such type of normal probability curve is what? Zero. Now kurtosis, the kurtosis value that is equal to 0.263. These are the very important from the examination point of view. You have to remember, because in more petty question such type of question generally been asked. So remember this point. The maximum height of the curve at the mean, the maximum height of the curve at the mean is what? 0.3989. that is called the ordinate. Ordinate is 0.3989. This is also very important characteristics of normal probability curve. The in mathematical formulation or mathematical form, it can be represented as a y that is equal to n divided by n, that is on the numerator, divided by sigma root under 2 pi, that is denominator, multiply at numerator e to the power minus x square divided by 2 sigma square, where e is the Napier logarithm, that value is 2.718 and the value of pi is equal to 3.14. So these are the some of the important characters that I have mentioned you in this online lecture. Now we will discuss some of the utilities of normal probability curve in the next online video lecture. Till then, thank you very much.